In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade Chrome on Windows. If you need to install an older version of Google Chrome on your Windows computer, this process is fairly simple, as long as you follow each prompt carefully. Downgrading can be useful if a newer version is causing compatibility issues with a website, an extension, or a piece of software you rely on. Just keep in mind that older browser versions may not include the latest security updates, so this is usually best used only when necessary. To begin, open Chrome on your Windows computer. Once the browser is open, go to a website that provides access to older Chrome versions. In the instructions, this is referred to as entering Old Version Chrome. After you search for that and find the appropriate result, click on it to open the page. When the page loads, you should see a list of available Chrome versions. Take a moment here and choose the version you prefer. This part is important because the version you select should match the reason you are downgrading. For example, if you need a specific release for compatibility, make sure you pick the correct one before continuing. After selecting the version you want, click it to begin the download. Your browser or the website may show prompts asking for confirmation, and this is completely normal. Simply follow the prompts on your screen to continue. Depending on the source, you may be asked to choose a Windows build or confirm the file download location. Read each screen carefully so you know exactly what is being downloaded. Once the file has finished downloading, continue following the on-screen instructions provided. In most cases, the setup process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. If Windows displays a security warning or asks for permission to proceed, review the file information and then continue if everything looks correct. After installation is complete, you can open Chrome and start using the older version you selected. At that point, take a quick look to make sure it launches properly and behaves the way you expected. If your goal was to fix a compatibility problem, this is a good time to test the website, extension, or tool that was giving you trouble. And that's it. You've now learned how to downgrade Chrome on Windows by opening Chrome, searching for an older version, selecting the version you want, downloading it, and following the prompts on your screen. Feel free to use it once everything is installed and working correctly.